These are the top 5 funniest talking parrots ever caught on camera. The last one has 0 chill. Comment your favorite line, and if you like and subscribe right now, you'll have insane luck tomorrow. At number 5, the Oh My Goodness.
What happened? Oh my goodness! Thank you.
At number 4, the Petty.
No. No, I don't want to kiss.
Just call me a bitch!
At number 3, the Hi Baby.
Hi, baby! Hi, baby!
At number 2, the Peekaboo. At number 1, the Savage.